Good morning to all. In the session 2058, we will be studying the classification of phylum Echinodermata. As we have seen in the earlier session, the echinodermates are all marine. They have a spiny skin. They have either carnivorous or uh, herbivorous feeding habit. They have pentamerously radial symmetry, and they have a circulatory system and respiratory cell structures, conduction through water vascular system, and such other general features of the phylum we have seen in the last session. And learning objective of this session are to make the students to enable the classification of echinoderms, and various types of echinoderms diversity is studied in this session to understand and compare the individuals of each class of echinoderms. Students at the end of the session will be able to identify and classify the Echinodermata phylum. And the phylum is classified into two broad divisions, Eleutherozoa and Palmatozoa. Eleutherozoa includes four classes, which are all pentamerously radial symmetric: Asteroidea, Echinoidea, Holothuroidea, or Phaeroidea. And Palmatozoa includes the crinoidea, which are the sea lilies. And Asteroidea are common starfishes, which are star-shaped with the five triangular radiating arms from the oroaboral side end axis. The ambulacral groove contains tube feet, madreporite, ambulacral canal, pedicellarium, and the larva of this group of the class of Echinodermata is bipinnarea larva. And the pentamerously radially symmetric arms end with the slight tentacular structures with the stigmata or sensory structures. And the general characters of class Echinoidea are globular in shape, disc-like, without radiating arms. Common sea urchins are seen in this. They have spines enormously enlarged, found along throughout the test or the corona. Ambulacral groove contains tube feet with suckers, which are all buried in the corona. Pedicellarium are three-jawed. Mouth has masticatory apparatus called Aristotle's lantern. Hence, these sea urchins, cake urchins, biscuit urchins, which are found in around 200 feet or depth of the sea, and shallow sea water is commonly found. Is the common habitat of these echinoideas. And in our coast, Arabian Sea coast also we will commonly see this. They are cosmopolitan in distribution, and they have a oral side and mouth. In the oral side, five tooth like plates that point towards, which are called Aristotle's lantern. And on the aboral side, they have genital plate, gonopore, and the anus. The spines are very sharp, pointing out in all directions. Such animals are sea urchins. Holothuroidea includes the sea cucumbers. Body is muscular, elongated, without radiating arms, but they have in orientation, antero-posterior orientation, and oroeboral is they have a vertically elongate body like a cucumber. Tube feet is modified as retractile tentacle. Leathery skin with spicules. Cloacal respiratory tree is observed, and larva. These Phaeroidea includes brittle stars, flattened body, and flexible arms. They have pyloric CK are absent. Ambulacral groove presents without suckers. The arms are abruptly cut from the oroeboral axis. Madreporite is oral. Anus is absent in brittle stars. Sea cucumber. Here we have the structure of sea cucumber, which are coming under Ophiuroidea, Holothuroidea. They have oroeborally extending lengthwise body with the mouth surrounded by tentacular tree-like structure, leathery body, and tube feet are aligned. And these are crinoideans, which are the sea lilies. They are attached to some substratum. They have oral surface directed upwards and bear the mouth, tube feet without suckers. Madreporite spines and pedicellaria are absent. And sea lilies have 10 radiating arms which are divided from basal 5 arms. Each of the arms contain lateral pinnules and oral surface of central disc, mouth, anus, and basal cirri which are used for attachment. At the end of the session, we have few questions. Starfish belongs to the class Asteroidea. Echinopluteus is the larva of sea urchin. Muscular and elongated body, mouth and anus are at the opposite sides is the feature of sea cucumber. Brittle star belong to Ophiuroidea class, and this is attached or substratum without suckers. Attached forms are sea lilies. So we have few reference books from where we can refer the phylum and the classification, and you go through the material provided and answer the question papers. Thank you.